Here we go. TH-9800D. Quad band. 10 meters, 6 meters, 2 meters, and 440. Amazing little radio. I've recommended this out quite a bit. I haven't gotten one myself until now. Let's take a look at it. Okay, first right off the bat, nice user manual, color on the front. No color pictures, just black and white. Okay. I feel like these are going to be important later on. Yeah. Oh, look at that. They put the radio right in the top of it. We're going to set that to the side. Okay. In the bottom, we got the program cable. We have the separation cable. The microphone. Get rid of the plastic. Ooh. TYT's always had some nice stuff here. That's pretty good. Let's see. We got the microphone mount and screws. Extra fuses. Wow. Okay. The mobile mounting bracket. Looks like an auxiliary display mount for the separation. And really decent power cord. Not Thriller on the connector, but I got Anderson's here for it. So, get everything out. It's a really decent power cord. I'm actually quite shocked with this one. Separated twin lead here, which is not bad, because if you're mounting this mobile, you're going to run your negative to one direction and your positive to another direction. You want to go to the chassis of your car, not the battery. And this, of course, you're going to go to the battery. If you decide to run this negative cable to the battery and you have a bad ground on the vehicle, your vehicle will attempt to use your radio in order to pass current. Not a good thing to do. So, if you mount it underneath your seat, make sure to run it underneath. Run into one of your seat bolts or something, a good ground, something to the frame. Okay, so this is the separation bracket. It is plastic. Figure out how to mount on there, and the separation cable, which will be quite nice. Okay, now for the real stuff here. Look at that. It is a quad band. It operates 2 bands at a time. Separation, push down the side, disconnect. Look at that, comes right out. What is this saying here? RF exposure warning. Okay, matching power cord, same gauge. It's got the regular 2-pin connector. It does have another fuse in line in conjunction with the 2 others. So even if you don't use that, it's already got it on the harness, which is quite nice. The display is very light. Now, let's see. Looks like it goes on something like that. I'm not going to snap it in all the way. It's got to hold on there better. I got to be doing something wrong here. Oh, yeah, there you go. And slide. Has to. There you go. Okay, nice and solid. It gives you that mounting surface in the back. So if you wanted to do like a suction cup or something, or maybe an L bracket, then you mount that on your dashboard. Now to undo it, there you go. Okay. So here you have it. TYT 9800. So do all your ham frequencies. Rumors have it you can unlock this to make it work in the GMRS portion for those of us that do operate GMRS. Plug that back in. All that is just an RJ11. That's 6 pins. So I believe that actually would be an RJ12. Could be wrong on that. There we go. And that all snaps back together. Give me a second. I'll get some power to it. Okay, so I got it hooked up here. Turn on the radio. There we go. Hammer display tells you the voltage. You have independent squelch controls on both sides. Independent volume controls. And individual lines or knobs to change the frequency. Okay. You can also scan with it. It's 26 megahertz, 47 megahertz. Okay, these must be different VFOs. Okay, if you push it, then it'll allow you to okay, there's 6 meters. There's 2 meters. Let's go. Okay. Let's see if we can just type it in. Here we go. 146520. KB3 IACO testing. You can even turn the LEDs off on the microphone. Lock the microphone. Up and down on frequency. Okay. So there you have it. It's a TYT 9800. I will be using this radio for multiple things. Looks like it will receive AM and FM. Very nice. So it can even listen to the ATIS here at the local airport, which is awesome. Always enjoy listening in on that, seeing what's coming in. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments. Let me know if there's something you want to see or if you got questions on this. Like I said, I've never played with this radio before. This will be the first time, so I'm quite thoroughly excited. Other than that, we'll see you later. Have fun, get on the air, enjoy. That's what this radio is about. We'll catch you later.